If you're preparing for the GMAT or applying to business schools this year, then this week's news is something that you don't want to miss. We've got a comprehensive quant prep guide that covers every topic you need to master, a real GMAT journey from someone who scored a 695, strategic advice on how to handle DI and tricky question types, and a must-watch warning on how people are accidentally getting their GMAT scores cancelled. Plus, we'll walk through this season's updated MBA application deadlines, which schools are offering fee waivers, and how you can apply to 5 top French business schools for one low fee. We'll even break down the latest MBA employment stats so you know where you'll get the best ROI. Everything that we'll mention is going to be linked in the description below, so if any of these news items speaks to you, be sure to check it out. Alrighty, let's dive right in. For those of y'all who have difficulty in quant, we just dropped the ultimate GMAT Quantitative Preparation Guide, your all-in-one guide to mastering every quant topic tested on the GMAT. From arithmetic and algebra to combinatorics and coordinate geometry, you get theory breakdowns and practice questions organized by topic. Whether you're dealing with negative remainders, tricky inequalities, or overlapping sets, there's a section that's going to be helpful for you. The guide also includes hand-picked quant books, expert strategies, and collections of official level practice questions. Whether you're scoring a Q50 or just starting out, this is the roadmap that you need. All links are in the video description below, so make sure to check them out. From fear to 695, GMAT Club user Preksha 99 shares her GMAT 695 strategy. She breaks down how she transformed her verbal score using eGMAT's pre-thinking strategy in critical reasoning and the RC drill that forced her to stop skimming and actually read. In quant, she overcame the "I can solve this if I just had time" trap and learned to move on strategically. And for data insights, it almost broke her until she started applying verbal logic to hybrid questions. Her advice is to trust the process, lean on a support system, and don't let one bad mock define your potential. Make sure to read more about her journey. Full story linked below. If multi-source reasoning or two-part analysis is giving you a hard time, you're not alone. User MBA account 1234 posted a cry for help, and the responses from experts and community folks were quite helpful. User HR1212 broke down how to strategically manage MSR and TPA with better time allocation and mental mapping, while PR4N added actionable tips. For GI questions, the graph isn't the problem, it's the language. And for TPAs, pre-structure logic and CR training helps tremendously. Don't just continuously try more questions. Start building the right approach. You can read the full thread and tips from top scorers in the link below. If you're finding this helpful, guys, so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We bring you the most relevant GMAT and MBA admissions news every week. Did you know that your GMAT score could get cancelled just for bringing Chapstick to the test center? Charles from GMAT Ninja breaks down the lesser-known test security violations, from talking to someone during a break, to touching your phone, to using fee waivers improperly. Even innocent mistakes can lead your score to being cancelled, or worse, flagged on your record. This is one of those videos everyone should watch before test day. Watch the full video by clicking below. The MBA deadlines are here. We've compiled a full list of 2025 to 2026 MBA application deadlines, average test scores, and all available fee waivers. Some highlights: Wharton, HBS, and Stanford all offer need-based and military NGO waivers. Darden now has 5 deadlines with special waivers for African applicants. ISB offers discounts for reapplicants. All-in WashU still offers free applications. Make sure you check if your target schools offer a waiver. You could save hundreds of dollars. Full Excel sheet is linked below. Want a master's in management or finance in Europe? The Join a School in France initiative lets you apply to HEC Paris, ESCP, Schema, Emilion, and Audencia all at once for just €220. It's cheaper, faster, and comes with scholarship opportunities like Eiffel Excellence. If France is on your radar, this is one of the most efficient ways to apply. Full breakdown of programs, benefits, and application instructions is in the video description below. Looking for the real ROI on your MBA? A new analysis across 51 top MBA programs reveals some game-changing data. Stanford tops salaries at $187K and leads in recruiter prestige. Darden and Georgia Terry show best employment at graduation. Jindal, UT Dallas, is a hidden gem with 96.4% employment 3 months post-MBA. And if you're chasing value, Jindal and Terry deliver solid salaries at lower costs. Use this data to prioritize schools that match your career goals, whether it's prestige, salary, or job placement. Full report linked below. And that's it for this week's GMAT and MBA News Roundup. Every article and resource we mentioned is linked below, so be sure to check them out. Save what's useful and ask questions in the forums. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this video helped you. We're here to make sure your MBA journey is smoother every step of the way. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.